All right, here comes another quick unboxing video because I got some more stuff. This is sick. See it? Whoa. Is that anything important? No. Check it out. A little tripod action. Finally. Wait, what? That way to unlock? Is this made in China? Whoa. Goes all the way open. Wait, what? Let me check these instructions, yo. This is it? What? I see it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, this is tall. All right. And let's unbox the other stuff with the tripod. Look, with the tripod, we get this little Bluetooth adapter. Okay. Echovision. I am affiliated if you click the link in the bio, the link tree. Code REZA10 for 10% off. Satori. Man, look at that. Dev lifts. God. This is no stem, right? Yeah, no stem. Strawberry banana. This. This is the coolest. Now, if you know, I am into music. I'm not the collector type. I do collect some vinyls. So if you don't know U2s, think of the whatever Funko Pop. Do you like Funko Pop? But like custom and stuff like that. This is sick. Let's see it. Oh, I don't really want to open it. Is there an easy way to open it? Yes, there is. I'll probably come out with a video soon of like all my music collection. Oh, I want to open it. Like all my stuff, my vinyls and stuff. Okay. Wow. Is it out of the box? Whoa, that's pretty cool. It's in a sleeve. Whoa. Let's go one more. Wow. where are the edges? Okay. Oh my god, stop walking upstairs. Wow. Whoa, it's pretty hefty. The heads are hefty. This is sick. Alright, I gotta upload the hiking video, so catch y'all later.